What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to end a call by using the power button. So if this is a feature that you had set up on a previous phone and you liked it, well, you can get it back. And if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody that might be looking for this information. So we're going to start off by going into the phone. From the phone right up here on the top right, the three little dots, go ahead, select that. Scroll down till you see settings. From settings, we will scroll down till we see answering and ending calls right there. Go ahead and select that. And from here, we will see that there is a press power key to end calls. So if you wanted to end the call, go ahead and just like that, select it. At this point, it is now on. We can leave the settings menu. And anytime somebody calls and we hit the power button, it will automatically end that call. So just kind of keep that in mind. And if for whatever reason it does not, if it's not, you turned it on and it's not working, just try resetting your device, powering it off and turning it back on. And just like that, it should start working. So if you have that feature on and you would like to turn it off, the way to do that, same thing. Go up into settings. From settings, we're going to go to answer and ending calls. And right here, there is the press power to end calls. So that's where we're going to go ahead, deselect that. So that's how to turn the press power to end calls feature on and off on the Galaxy S9. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please pass it along. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Galaxy S9, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.